Tara, bike demo tayo. Nagdala na ako ng bag para sigurado pag nabudol, may lalagyan. Huwag ka lang uulan kasi maputik dito pag umulan. Saan tayo una magpapabudol, guys? Sige, unang bumungad sa atin, Maxis, pero check natin muna dito sa dance. 70%. 80%. Pinagkakagulan yung box dito. Magkano yan, kuya? Naka-sale yan? 400. Taas pa rin. Pass. Maxis tires, 80% din. Totoo kaya? Cycle art, to. Daming sale, oh.
Sa ano lang sir, na mga nasa 20% off lang.
20?
Yes sir.
Wala mga 50 ngayon?
Wala sir.
Wala.
Ako lahat po kasi mga fast moving item din.
Sige. Thank you, ah.
Sir namin sir. Thank you po. Thank you rin po.
Anong laman mo ng
Camelback. Kuya, anong pinaka-sale ngayon? Pinakamataas?
Medium 20%.
20?
20%.
Saan dyan?
Ito.
So, from 1.3? Naka-less na yung 1.3? Oh.
Ano na yan? At inversion lang to dito eh.
10 siya, 20%.
20%.
Thank you, kuya. Oh, sa bag may 70%?
Opo, ito dito.
Saan ang pinaka 70%? Yun, no? 70%. Pang running yan, ano? Magkano na lang? 1.8 from 6,000? Pwede. Sige, kuya. Balik ako. May mga classic bikes dito, guys. Speed Trail. Ito pala yung ano natin eh. Hi, bro.
They're all 27.
Bro,
Uy!
anong pinaka-sale nyo ngayon?
Pinakasin lahat.
Lahat? May 50?
My God.
50% off? Wala. Pero,
Wala. Pero may ito, less 80, less 90.
80? Nasaan?
Don't listen.
Wheelset? Oh, magkano na yan ngayon? Magkano na?
This one
What's
goes
this?
for 5,000.
Oh.
This one goes for 10,000.
50 na, ay 80 na yun percent.
Everything, so walang less 50, pero may mas malaki.
Okay, nasa yung 90. Ay, 70%?
This one.
Magkano na siya?
Let's see.
Grabe, mura na. Reynolds wheelset.
Nalistahan din. Magkano ulit to, Nilda?
Ay, ito yung mga shades sa ano?
Yeah, yung nasa store. Tinala namin din.
Less 90%, 55 na lang.
5.5! Wow!
55,000.
Pero size 26 siya.
55,000, 5.5 na lang. Sheesh!
And then everything else here, less 10, less 20. So, you know.
Hirap pag-isipan nun ah.
Yeah,
Pinag-iisipan pa ba yun?
Pero size 26 lang yan, sir.
26 for mountain bike.
less 50 pa to, no?
So,
You don't have a... okay, sorry. Go ahead.
55,000.
No,
Ano yung SRP?
no, 5,500.
No SRP. From where?
SRP is from 80,000.
80?
I think it was, yeah.
80,000?
Less 90 is...
5.
It's either 80 to 70,000. May calculator ako. So.
Sige. 5,000 na lang guys, oh, from 80. Grabe. But it's a 26er wheel set. For mountain bike, no?
Yeah, 26.
Okay, final computation.
Ano din yan? X divided by times 0.9 is equals 5,000. So,
Magkano ba SRP?
Could be something like that, right?
5,500.
55,000.
Ah, the SRP.
Yeah, I
So,
think kung
less-
less 90, then yeah, divide by 10 lang.
Ito yung presyo? Grabe, ang laki ah. So, ano pang malalaking discount?
Yeah, mostly those. The rest would be like, rest would be yung mga road bikes, mountain bikes. That one goes from 200, 2,000 to 100,000.
Oh, 50%.
Yeah, for a car.
Mabaya, guys.
Carbon road bike na Ultegra.
Oh, 100K, guys.
So you get something with this kind of carbon sole stiffness. Goes from 67,000 magiging 3,000 lang. Something like that.
Oh, grabe.
Sabi.
FLR.
May cycling shoes ka na.
Meron naman, kaso wala pa akong black.
You want another one? Ayun.
Sige.
Yung ano,
Edley Designs. Brompton. Boss, picture? Wow, souvenir? Sige. Sige. Saan kayo? Dito din? Brompton? Sige, wag na muna. Is it printing?
Yeah. Pag lumabas na yung ice.
So, free picture with the model if you want dito sa Edley Designs. So, nagpa-picture tayo. Ayan na siya. Anong pinaka-biggest sale ngayon for Edley? Oh. Team Edley Designs. You know. Thank you very much for the free photo wall picture from Brompton Edley Designs. Nice. By Kerry. Hello.
Wala na, isa na lang.
Hindi naabot yung buka.
Nadala kami rin ng bago.
Popsis Bikes with Bikery. Dodota ata sila.
Pinatira ko sa kanila.
Shoti!
Uy!
Aga! Sakay lang kayo.
Mas maaga pa.
Breakfast!
May vlogger dito.
Dom's Bikes. What's this? Star Bike.
2025, we're going to celebrate children.
50% off.
Doing a one-week push bike series of this day one. Come on down and celebrate with us.
Andot Athletics.
We are water bottles.
Monton Sports.
20%
20% off. 1.5 each.
It will be given in the next 3 days. Okay, it will be given to you in the next 3 days.
Thank you, boss.
Parents here to support our kids. This is really the right time to start your kids. This is the cycling
Champ Bikes.
lifestyle. Look at that. Everyone's really energized.
Stars dito. Si Eloy. Saka si ano.
All 16 children went
Field
out there to
cycles.
compete today. Congratulations to you all. 60 kids went out there to play.
Ahon.
Alright, you guys. To present to you our kids with
Insta 360, oh. Kuya, magkano sale ngayon?
what product po ba? Ano po yung price?
Go 3. Naka-sale na siya?
Yes po. For the Go 3S, it's 18,890.
Ilan discount yun?
Ito po kasi ang regular price na is nasa 22.
Ah, okay. 4K discount, ano?
And meron po tayong free motorcycle kit. Yung motorcycle kit po sir is this one. The grip for the handlebar and for the helmet as well. Here po.
Kahit sa Go, pwede yan?
Yes po, but you need to buy a separate
Attachment?
adapter. Yes po,
Adapter.
for that. And that is not included po for the motorcycle bundle. But
Oh.
even if you go outside, sir, wala po tayong ganyan price na nakikita ko for the event, for the
For-
2-day event po.
Okay.
We accept
So, 18 na no?
installments po. 3 months zero interest po lang.
Sige. Pag-isipan ko mabuti.
Sige po sir, no problem. Thank you sir.
Thank you, ah. Anti-heritage sock. Daming medyas. Oh. Magkano pinaka-sale nyo, kuya?
Yung pinakasilang, bali yung pro namin na socks sir, is ano po siya, buy 2, take 1 po for 1,400.
Wow.
So sa fan socks naman namin po sir, buy 2, take 1 is 600 po. 600 pesos lang po. Tapos pag naka-like po kayo sa page namin which is Indie Socks, Indie Heritage Socks, sa Instagram may free 1 socks po kami sir sa fan.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you.
Sprinto, 30% off.
Hi sir!
Hello.
Sprinto ka sir
Oo nga eh.
Saan mo nabili yan sir?
So guys, bukas daw, buy one, take one.
Yes.
Buy one, take one. Any. So for example, 2,000, buy one, take one yan.
Yes, any amount babayaran mo, whichever is higher.
Okay.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Yung pala eh, buy one, take one pala. Buti na lang, di ako bumili kagad.
Ang ano niyan, sir, ang hint niyan, baka bukas, wala na yung gusto
Yun
mo.
nga, yun nga.
Kasi ang dami na namin out of stock ngayon.
Grabe, mura to, buy one, take one.
Hi everyone.
Thank you, ah.
Punta kayo, sir. Visit us.
natin ngayon.
Right.
Let's bring the wood.
Visit Sprinto. Majin, 10%. 30%.
Yes, we are actually expanding our flagship in Microtel Aura. It's 150 rooms and
Daddy,
we're turning into
yung cup ko, saan mo dadalhin? Akin yan.
Like 2 weeks ago, during the storm, I
Idol.
wanted to try that out. Watch how the storm
Gee.
came down that side. But they told me, Albert told me that you guys were renovating, and so he did. Of course, if you are a cyclist, thank you for supporting Microtel as our partner. They have supported us. So every time you go to a Microtel hotel, the Saint Green Hotel, everywhere you go, you actually support cycling here in the Philippines.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. UP Sunken Garden.
Nasa magkano yung ganito, kuya?
Check out Microtel.
Depende sir sa ano, iba-iba.
QC.
All right, thank you so much once again, Microtel. Visit the Microtel tent located here in front of the staging area.
Oh, okay. Black sheep, oh.
Maybe we should give something away.
Yeah.
Paano malaman
I can
presyo,
feel it
may
right now.
tag?
It's a great time for
Ito,
raffle
4K?
prizes.
Discounted.
In and out.
Yeah.
Let's
Black
remember
sheep,
Yolo.
4K.
Our co-host Jedi Jenna.
Jedi.
Jenna,
For a
please
round of
give them a chance to win something today.
stop. There you go.
KTM.
Tinulog na ng ating mga participants ngayon. Russia. So it's going to be Philippines versus
Missing
Russia.
link.
And today we are joined by Go for Gold. They will be okay. Yeah,
Mike Zilla.
But even right now, I want to give away some stuff.
yeah.
I want to give away some stuff from Brompton. You know,
Putik, oh.
Thank you so much for coming on down, guys. Brompton is one of the coolest people on this side of the Polish industry. Well,
Hindi nakita natin sa Taiwan yan.
Yes, Broncos outside.
yeah,
Trunk Brothers.
Brompton Southside Gang. There's only one way you can have it.
Uy, paano yun?
So put it on the back side and call your name. Write everything. I'll give you a tip on wrap up. Okay, make sure, right?
Be sure to check out and stick around for you to
TCG.
run out to the stage. Yes, first off, warm
Check
up
natin,
tayo.
TCG.
No, make sure you write your names in letters.
Try suits for 5.
Like some Chinese Filipino characters feel shy writing. And sometimes it's very hard to decipher. So let's give us a chance to read your names and
Anong pinaka discounted price, kuya?
Yan na po.
Ito? Ilang percent yan?
For our first
20?
Dogs Bikes Brompton Southside trip is Gilbert Serrano.
Less 200 pesos.
Serrano.
Oh, ito big sale. Oh, 50% to.
With the number
He's also for
what?
TCG.
Gilbert Serrano going one.
Once
1,000 na lang, oh.
This
Gilbert Serrano.
Gilbert.
10,
Another one.
9,
Excuse me. Thank you, kuya. Thank you.
2, 1.
It's us. Ian
Balyaw.
Balyaw. Next.
Kuya, ano shop to?
Oh, walang pangalan to. There's no name in this
Ano po?
song.
Noni.
Okay,
Number.
0. Ay,
Who's this?
ayan. May nanalo na.
Pangalan po nila.
Anong pinaka-sale nyo, kuya?
Come on down here. Mr. Adrian Balyaw is here with
Anong
us
pinakamataas na sale?
to receive his shirt. Show us your raffle stuff, please. Pam Perfecto will check and see
900 na lang?
if your raffle stuff matches Adrian Balyaw.
Ito pwede, 900, Vittorio.
Alright, so Adrian Balyaw, congratulations.
Kapag, dalawa?
North Caloocan.
po na ng red.
Paano nagpunta rito?
Nakaano po yan, yung may red po, naka 40% off na po yun.
Pwede, ah.
Nag-bike ka mula sa Commonwealth. Perfect muna, nag-Commonwealth ka pa, tapos...
Saan ang shop nyo?
Wala po kayo, sarado po kayo.
Hindi, I mean, saan Alabang.
All the way from Caloocan City.
Okay, ah. Thank you, kuya.
Ingat po
Ano
sa
man
biyahe.
sabi mo sa...
Spider, 40%, to. Oh. O2S. Hello. Ito. Oh. Ano pinaka-discounted nyo ngayon, kuya? Na jersey. Ano po?
Dalawa nabili na discount.
Pag dalawa. Pag isa lang, wala. Ah, hindi ko sure.
Pag may isa, may discount din ba?
Pag isa may discount? Pag dalawa lang. How much is the discount?
200 off sa delivery.
Okay, 200 off. Saan ang O2S? Originally located?
Ang stock room namin sa San Mateo Rizal.
San Mateo? Oh, okay.
Pero wala pa kaming physical store, so tinitake advantage namin mga pop-up.
Kayo rin nag-stitch ganun? Sa San Mateo? Oh, okay. May nakita O2S eh. Sino ba? Si... Tiga-tak-tak? Si IC ba O2S? IC? iCycle? Oh, yung jersey niya bago. O2S. Oh, kaya pala.
Yung orange, basta
Orange, oh. Kita ko nga kay iCycle eh.
Pero sa kanya naman yung merch niya, nandoon sa takta.
Oh, okay. So, 2,850 pag dalawa, less 200. Both. Oh, nice ah.
May sizes pa naman yan. Then ito yung mga bago naming release. So this one lang. Meron kami activewear na para sa UV Bike din.
Oh, this is created for this event mismo talaga. Oh, okay.
Ito naman mga to.
Ganda ng mga
December
tela ah.
collection.
Parang ano na, no? High-end.
Yes.
Premium clothing na, no? Mas naka-ano na rin siya.
Yung iCycle, ito naman yung ginamit niya. Actually, nandito yung mga fabric namin for customization. So, yung eyes, ito, platinum, naka-platinum.
Okay.
Highest namin sa custom.
Okay, thank you. What's your name po?
For real.
Okay, Vito pala, Vito. Hi. I'll post this.
Okay, sige, sige.
Thank you. Carbonation cycling.
Pero ang maximum
ticket tuloy na. Sir! Sir, saan yung bagong gravel?
Ito sir.
Ito
Gravel.
yung na-post sa Facebook? Yung parang darating, yung parang may yellow sticker na sun.
Yellow sticker. Alam ko ito yun sir. Yung darating.
Oo.
Ito yun sa December.
Oh, ayan yun. Magkano yung ganyan SRP?
32.
32?
Yes.
Meron ba siyang discount for today?
Today, yes.
How
Yes,
much po?
10%.
10? So magkano na yun?
32 minus sa mga 29 something.
29?
Minus 32.
Gaan?
28.
Gravel 8?
Yes.
Wala si Sir Edward ba?
May kinuha lang sa kotse.
Oo, may kinuha.
Ang talagang store niya sa bus.
Ang store namin kasi is online.
Online.
Meron kaming wheel buildings to.
Voodoo Salawal. Ito yung lagi suot ni Jerry Victor eh.
Coffee rides. So, we would like to be more relaxed. So, ito is straight fit. Yung fit niya. So, relax. Pero meron pa rin back pockets. 2 back pockets with 1 zip. Tapos, quarter zip sa front. And
Okay, my turn.
merong chest pocket. Initially, dapat dalawa. Pero, from testing, medyo masyado na siyang maalok.
Maputik ah.
This is locally made here in the Philippines.
Yes, this
Maputik?
is locally made
Very
with
nice.
what we call the super light
Upcycle.
Super light.
fabric, which is trying
Object like the usual uses.
CCN. Dami bumibili sa CCN ah.
So, kung makakakalera, gusto nyo yung coffee ride lang or errand rides, this is perfect. May extras over.
Ate, may extras nito. Meron po. Wait lang po.
Another point.
Magkano pinaka-sale nila dito?
Buy to take one ho. Ang
Buy 2, take 1? Promo? Wow! So, bali 3. Pwede ah. Hindi ka mag-CCN dyan. Si CCN.
Well, you guys come and visit this new technology from the Philippines.
Ito sa may entrance.
Where's your booth?
Wala akong... Saan? Angelo bro.
Hey!
Pop cycle. Courier shop. Happy pedal. Pucha. Oh, laki oh. Bro.
Lano. Jordan Lano. 176.
A-bus.
176.
Few moments, we're going to be having Russia versus the Philippines, the best of the best cyclists from Cooper.
Carbonation cycling.
With a live race coming on down this side.
John Vicar. 0780. Raffle winner. Roy Villalobos with the number 0065. 0065.
then my receipt
ating cyclist yan sa
5.545? 5.4. Ah, pero kasi dito naka ano, hundreds. Paahon na eh. May gradient to. Ah, gago may gradient. Mabigat yung gagi. Saan? Ah, okay. Ah, dyan nagbe-base?
Alright, 115. Number 1, 2, Next winner is Edwin Ayuban. Edwin Ayuban with the number 2.
Kakain na. Diet. Okay, go.
chicken empanada. 50 pesos only.
Kakain na.
Nandito siya.
Kumo? Teka.
Next, we have Joseph Wesley Navarro. Joseph Wesley Navarro. Next up, we have Trish.
Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa Santic. Dito nyo ibuhos lahat ng pera nyo. Sobrang naka-sale. 25% off mga bibo. 20% clearance sale. Anong mga clearance sale ngayon? Shoes? Kuya, tatawid ako sa sapa. Sale, ito yung mga sale pala. Ito yung akin, no? Sale na siya ngayon. Ano pinakamura? 1,000 lang? Nasaan dyan?
Iba-iba sir eh, pag ano, mababa sa 999 pababa, mga 1,000 na yan.
Oh! Guys, tignan nyo ah. Pag 4,000 something, 1,000 lang babayaran kuya? Sige nga, bigyan mo nga akong sample. Saan dyan yun?
Sir, mga ito, 1,000 na.
1,000 na lang yan!
Walang pang-exit. Kung walang ano, mga flat na po.
Grabe! Meron, nasan dyan tig 8,000? Tapos 2,000 na lang.
Ito mga 2,000.
Carbon, ano na yan? Guys, 2,000 carbon plated shoes. Ito yung akin eh. 2,000 na lang to.
Dating ano yan eh, 8,000.
Dating 8,000 to. May itim kayo nito, kuya? Itim.
Wala ito lang.
Yan ang kulay. Guys, bilhin nyo na to. 2,000 from 8,000. Grabe. Sige nga, kuya, kuha ako ng mga shoes. Sobrang mura. Sa gloves, 20% lang. Grabe. Gaganda pa ng jersey. Pero panalo to shoes, guys. 1,000. Makabili nga.
Ah, yung 3,000?
3,800. 7,750 na lang. 50%.
77. So magkano na lang?
Kunin ko na to.
775.
Neo Sigma.
Carbon yan, carbon. Ano yan, no? Ganda lang siya, no? Pag-gravel pa rin. Hindi lang buka eh. Buka ba?
So makikita nyo mamaya, no, yung speed nila, yung power nila, makikita nyo. You can watch this live on Facebook of Machine.
Meron kayong card, kuya?
Ay, wala ako. Paano lang BPI ka?
Gcash card, pwede. Yung parang machine. Sinisip ko lang sa patagos ba yung pawis sa gusto ko matamis.
Ay, hindi ko matamis na.
Sige. Pwede patikim ng konti. Patikim ng konti, pwede ba yun?
Pwede sir, sa basing na po yung nabibili.
Oo. Ito, melon.
Basta.